Okay, so this is gonna be your Vector stove. This is one of my favorites in the lineup of Olicamp. It is gonna be a product where you're not just torching your food, you can have a simmer function, which is super handy out in the backcountry. And your boil time for it is gonna be 3 minutes and 30 seconds. It's putting out 10,200 BTUs, which is a British thermal unit. And so that's super handy for you when you're just in a rush to get food. You're not having to worry about taking a good while to actually have your water boil and everything start cooking, which is super important when you're hangry in the backcountry at the end of a long day. Additionally, some things about this is you can kind of put it through the ringer. It does come with a little bit of a case for protection when you're packing it away, but overall, this thing can hold up really well. I've seen it go through rental fleets, and I've put mine through the ringer, and it has been super nice and really never let me down. Super nice for any kind of excursion that you're going on, whether it just be car camping itself or if you're going out on a big long excursion. This is a really awesome stove to have. The other thing that we have here is going to be our 450 gram fuel. This fuel is going to be made up of your isobutane and your propane, just like all other fuel. Propane is going to help with colder weather, as well as your isobutane is going to help with when your fuel gets lower. It's going to help with keeping your fuel still coming through. But yeah, that is your Vector stove and some of the info on the fuel.